Hello everyone, my name is Taimur Mirza, and today I will be presenting the AI Sentiment Analyzer and Social Media Toxicity. So just for some background, in today's times, toxicity is seen on every social media platform, as it are anonymous people just cyberbullying or just trolling on the internet. And the biggest problem with this is that they are usually anonymous, so there's no actual consequence that they face compared to how they would in real life. So, what is the AI Sentiment Analyzer? The AI Sentiment Analyzer would be a technology that is made to foster connections and overall promote positive interactions on social media platforms. Now, this is done with the intent to lessen all types of toxicity and overall increase empathy in online interactions. Now, the artificial intelligence side of this will be used to help comprehend the human intentions, emotions, and overall interactions. So, what is the purpose of this AI sentiment analyzer? This analyzer would be used for all types of toxicity that is seen on social media platforms. And it will be using advanced natural language processing along with machine learning to help identify the types of hate speech, cyberbullying, along with any kind of negative behavior towards other people. And over time, the sentiment analyzer will be using artificial intelligence that allows for different language patterns to be recognized, and this is also done while monitoring real-time interactions, allowing platforms to incorporate customized moderated settings, which is something like content filtering. When it comes to the sentiment analyzer, there are many questions that can be brought up in terms of concerns for how this will affect the platform along with the interactions between people. But for this main example, the question that we will be addressing is the following. How does prolonged exposure to toxic online behavior such as cyberbullying, harassment, and negative comments impact users considering factors like emotional well-being along with mental health? How does prolonged exposure to toxic online behavior such as cyberbullying, harassment, and negative comments impact users considering factors like emotional well-being along with mental health? So, before answering this question, let's speak on why this question is significant and how it relates into the AI sentiment analyzer in general. So, this question is important because it addresses the significant and growing concern of the impact of toxic online behavior on people's mental health. And the prolonged exposure to the online negativity from cyberbullying, harassment on social media platforms has become a pretty common issue in today's world. And in the research article, it states that people are using social media to communicate their feelings since internet services have improved. On social media, people freely express their feelings, arguments, and opinions on a wide range of topics. So, understanding how such experiences affect the human brain is crucial for several reasons. Now, firstly, it sheds light on the potential psychological consequences contributing to our comprehension of mental health challenges that these people face in the online space. Secondly, the findings could inform the development of strategies and interventions to mitigate the negative effects, helping individuals cope with or avoid these harmful experiences. And finally, Addressing the impact of toxic online behavior on the human brain is essential for the formulation of effective policies as well as guidelines that are aimed at creating a healthier and safer digital environment for its users. Now, what is the purpose behind the study? The main purpose behind the study was to fully understand emotion detection, or otherwise known as emotion recognition, which is done through different implementations of identifying an individual user's feelings. These feelings would be things such as joy, depression, anger, jealousy, or any things of that sort. Now, although there could be methods of understanding one's emotion through factors such as heart rate, body vibrations, the amount how much they sweat, and this does not limit to just these factors. However, being able to understand someone's state of emotion through things over the internet, through text. Now, this is a challenge that is on a different level. Now, the findings from the study were the following. Although there were difficulties with attaining information due to instances of informal texts, examples of informal texts are the misspelled U's being the letter U, and this would make it challenging to get valid conclusions with these findings. To communicate the findings from the study, a list of sentiment and datasets were retrieved through a survey from the users, differing in terms of domain, sizes, and etc. Data was collected from users who felt one of several emotions. These emotions being anger, joy, fear, surprise, sad, and disgust. These processes of sentiment analysis and emotion detection came across different stages such as collecting datasets, pre-processing, feature extraction, model development, and evaluation. So finally, to connect with the findings, prolonged exposure to toxic online behavior encompassing cyberbullying, harassment, and negative comments can significantly impact users' emotional well-being as well as mental health, as shown in the results. The relentless nature of online toxicity can lead to heightened stress, anxiety, along with a diminished sense of self-worth. Users could experience emotional distress, fostering feelings of isolation and alienation. The constant flow of negativity can be a driving factor to the development of mental health issues. To add on, the effect of exposure to online toxicity can compromise overall emotional resilience, making it crucial to address these challenges for the well-being of people on social media.